Just mix lemon with carbon and you will be surprised by the result. For today's tip, we will need a piece of carbon. Next, I'll place it in a plastic bag and tie it up. I'm sure you'll make the most of this mixture at a very low cost. Then, with a meat tenderizer, we will crush the carbon very well. Carbon is the main item for this tip. Do it at home, and you'll be surprised by the result. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. After that, we'll transfer it to a container. I'll cut the plastic bag and remove all the crushed carbon. This trick cleans all kinds of dirt from your kitchen. I'm sure you'll make the most of this mixture at a very low cost. Then, I'll transfer it to a container with a sieve to separate the powder from the debris. Since I started doing this, I must confess I was surprised. I'm sure you'll thank me after this video. Don't forget to try it at home and comment if you know any other tips so that I can try and teach others. I bet you didn't even know about this method. After that, I'll squeeze half a lime over the carbon powder. It's widely used in rural areas. Lime is one of the main items for cleaning, mainly helping to remove grease and stains. This tip will help you a lot in your daily routine. To finish, I'll mix the ingredients very well. It is recommended to use this mixture directly on greasy and dirty surfaces. Your pots will thank you a lot for using this tip. Once that's done, our tip for today will be ready to use, and I can test it to see the result. I'll apply a small amount to a sponge to scrub my dirty pot. This mixture lasts a long time, using only a small amount. Just apply a bit to the desired surface, and within seconds, you can see everything getting cleaner. I'm sure this tip will be of great use to your home. This tip can be used to remove burns and grease that stick to the pot after frying. After scrubbing, it's only necessary to put our pot under running water, and you can already notice the result. I use this tip whenever I see my pots getting dirtier. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope you liked it, and let me know the results you had at home. See you in the next video. Bye.